How's it going, guys? It's T with Grillzuniversity, and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to do a Grillz 3D design. Now, for those that want to know how to do a couple designs, I now added that in my e-course. So if you want to learn more about how to make designs in Grillz, contact me below at 302-345-8986, or you can contact me at grillzuniversity@gmail.com. Like I said, it's on sale right now for the last couple of days for the holiday, so contact me so you can get that sale. Now, there's a certain way you want to add on a design to a grill to make it look 3D. I've seen a couple of people cast in small little designs and then solder right onto the tooth. That's definitely not necessary. That's costing you more time. You don't want to do it like that. The main thing you want to do is do it early. Do it in the wax and then cast it. So I'm going to show you exactly how to draw out a design and add it onto the tooth so you can cast it. So before you get started making the grill, you want to do this first. Always make sure you know to think smarter, not harder. It's very important to know because you don't want to waste your time doing certain things that does not matter. So now let's get started in the video so I can show you exactly how I do it. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is measure the tooth. Which tooth we're gonna put it on? We're gonna put it on the canine tooth. So the design we're gonna do is gonna be a letter T for my name. We're gonna measure the tooth, see how big it is. Let's think about that. We measured it, so that's how big it has to be. Now we're gonna take a little piece of wax. We're gonna mark how big our piece should be. Mark it just like this. Put a little mark into it like that. So as you see, get my marks. Now we're gonna cut it. Okay. Also, we're going to measure the width. Okay. All right. There'll be a link in the e-course for this measurement tool as well. Mark that. There. Like that. Now you can use a thicker piece of wax. I'm just gonna use this because the color's different. All right, so we have that, let's make it too slippery. So now we're gonna trace out our T. So T is very easy. I know how to make that. Just something real easy for everybody. All right, so that's our T. Let's see if it'll fit. So now we're gonna take it and apply it to our tooth. If it's too big, we'll just shape it back out. If not, we're good. All right, so we have our T. Now it's a little bit big, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit more off. So just make sure you test it out. If it doesn't fit, just correct it. Let's see if this works. There we go. We have our T onto the grill. Now, this is all you have to do. Everything you want to do is in the wax. I always suggest that the beginning stage is the wax. Complete the wax stage the right way, you have a perfect casting. So always make sure you add your designs in the wax first, then you cast it. Because if you try to cast this little piece and then solder it on, it's a lot of work to do, and it's going to be a bit messy. So make sure you do the designs prior to casting the grill. And there you have it. Letter T, right onto it. Now you can do all kinds of letters and symbols and money signs if you like. So I hope that video was helpful, and I hope that a lot of people was able to use that video to use it in their own designs. Also, if you want to learn how to make more designs, definitely contact me below about the e-course. I am adding designs to the e-course at 302-345-8986, also at Grillzuniversity@gmail.com. And it's also on sale, so definitely get back to me. Hit that bell notification, don't forget to subscribe. So thank you.